and I all I know, I and I all I say, I and I reconsider, I and I see openly that Christopher Columbus is a damn blasted liar. Christopher Columbus is a damn blasted liar. Yes, Jah, he's a liar. He is saying that he is the first one who discovered Jamaica. I and I say that. What about the Arawak Indians and the few black men who were around here before him? The Indians couldn't hang on no longer. Then here comes black man, woman and children in a jam down land. I want a whole heap of mix up, a whole heap of bena. And we have it straight and a Christopher Columbus is a damn blasted liar. Christopher Columbus is a damn blasted liar. Yes, Jah.